On the previous turn, I have told you the shikimic acid pathway. We started with the erythrose 4-phosphate and phosphoenol pyruvate. First, the 3-deoxy-arabino-heptulosonic 7-phosphate, which is first compound, is formed from this DHAP in the presence of enzyme synthase, 3-DHU synthase, dehydroxycunate is formed, and during this process, oxidation, beta elimination, reduction process take place, and this enzyme is NADH dependent enzyme. Next process is from the DHQ, dehydrogenase. Water is removed in the presence of dehydratase, and DHS, dehydroshikimate, is formed. And this, if we go in this reaction, removal of water includes the double bond in the ring. Removal of water incorporates the double bond in the ring. How? This is the DHS. Next is the reduction of this ketone into the alcohol. As a result of this, here ketone group is changed into alcohol in the presence of dehydrogenase, in the presence of NADPH dependent reductase. Dehydrogenase. Okay, I will go on this. This is the shikimic acid on which the name of the cycle is given. This shikimic acid is the starting material of various phenols, phenolic natural products. This phenol, on the previous terms we have read, I have told you that phenol is one of the most important natural products. So, shikimic acid is the starting material for variety of phenolic natural products. What are the natural products? These are the natural products These are the natural products which are synthesized from shikimic acids are water soluble, gallotannins. These gallotannins, these are complexes of phenols. These gallotannins are complexes of phenols with sugar. Phenols with These are the complexes of phenolics with sugar. And what is the use of gallotannin? Gallotannin is a type of tannins. These are type of tannin which protect plant from ultraviolet damages, and it retards herbivores, Besides this, tannins are also bind irreversibly to the protein. These tannins are irreversibly bind with protein, inhibiting enzyme activity. These tannins are used from the centuries by the human to extract tan. These tannins are used from the centuries by the human civilization, humans. For what purpose? To tan and preserve the animal hides. Besides all these things, tannin is also used in tea and beverages. So we have today studied. Now we can go in graphic form. This is the simplest form of shikimic acid. Next, we will study on the next turn. Thank you.